What's the meaning of big mouth? Big mouth. Big mouth.
Big mouth. Big mouth. The term big mouth is often used to describe someone who talks too much or says things without thinking. This can be seen as a negative trait in many social situations, as it can make others feel uncomfortable or annoyed. The person with a big mouth may also inadvertently reveal confidential information or embarrass themselves with inappropriate comments. However, there are also contexts in which a big mouth can be seen as a positive thing, such as in the world of entertainment, where being outspoken and controversial can generate attention and fame. Overall, the term carries a connotation of speaking without restraint, for better or for worse.